In this video we'll break down the Monzo Flex credit card and find out if it's really worth using. Monzo Flex isn't your typical credit card, it's a flexible buy now, pay later tool built right into the Monzo app. You can pay in full or split purchases over 3 months interest-free for amounts over £100. Need more time? You can stretch payments up to 24 months, but that comes with a variable APR around 29%. The card also includes Section 75 protection, no annual fee and no foreign transaction charges, making it handy for online and overseas shopping. Inside the Monzo app, tracking installments and managing payments is smooth and transparent. However, there are some drawbacks. If you carry a balance beyond the 0% period, the interest adds up fast. Managing multiple active installments can also get confusing. Plus, applying for Monzo Flex involves a credit check, and late payments could hurt your credit score. Overall, Monzo Flex is great for short-term flexibility and responsible users who can pay on time. But if you often carry debt or prefer simple credit, you might want to explore other cards with longer 0% periods or lower APRs. Backhand index pointing right. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned for more honest money app breakdowns.